Hello dear students, in previous class we have solved the question number up to question number 20. Now today we will start from question number 21 of chapter 4. Okay, so let's start. See the question number 21. In your question it is given that solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. Okay, and the given inequation is minus 3 is less than minus 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equals to 5 upon 6 and x belongs to real number. This is the given inequation. Okay, so here only at the middle there is x, so you can take together. Okay, before that see this, here at the middle x rated term is there, constant is also there. So at first you have to eliminate the constant. Here it is minus 1 upon 2, so we have to add 1 upon 2 to eliminate this minus 1 upon 2. So we have added 1 upon 2 with each term. Okay, adding 1 upon 2 with each term. So we have added, then 1 upon 2 and a 1 upon 2 it will be cancelled out, and if you add them then you will get minus 6 plus 1 upon 2, and here 2x minus 2x upon 3 that will be remaining. Okay, and if you add them, so it will be 5 plus 3 upon 6. Now minus 5 upon 2 less than minus 2x upon 3 less than equals to 8 upon 6. Now at the middle there is minus 2 upon 3, that is the coefficient of x, that you have to eliminate that one. So if you multiply this term by minus 3 upon 2, then it will be only x. So that's why you have multiplied by minus 3 upon 2 with each term, multiplying each term with minus 3 upon 2. Okay, then 3 will be cancelled out, minus 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, minus minus this will be plus. So 15 upon 4 is greater than x and greater than equals to minus 2. Here you see this, here it is less than, here it is less than equals to sign, but after multiplying by minus sign, so this is negative number, minus 3 upon 2 is negative number, so that's why this inequation is changed to greater than, and this inequation is changed to greater than equals to. So 15 upon 4 means 3 whole 3 upon 4, and this is greater than x and greater than equals to minus 2. So the solution set, what will be the solution set? Okay, hence the solution set is x such that 3 whole 3 upon 4 is greater than x and greater than equals to minus 2, and x is related belongs to real number. Now on the number line, how will represent that? See this, minus 2, and here it is equal sign, so the minus 2, this point will be included, and here 3 whole 3 upon 4. So 3 whole 3 upon 4 means between 3 and 4, this point is 3 whole 3 upon 4, and we have made an empty circle because here only greater than sign is there. It means 3 upon 3, 3 whole 3 upon 4 is not included here. After that the solution will be started. Okay, so there, that's why here we have made an empty circle. Then the middle portion we have made dark, the line will be made dark. Okay, now come to the next question, that is question number 22. In this question it is given that solving the following inequation, write the solution set and represent it on the number line, and the inequation is given that minus 3 into x minus 7 greater than equals to 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 upon 3, and x belongs to real number. Okay, so this is the inequation given, but here at first term there is x, second term there is x, third term there is x. Okay, so we can't take together, you have to split in two parts. So first two we have taken together and last two we have taken together, so we have made two inequations from the given inequations. So solve this one first. So you have multiplied by minus 2, so it is minus 3x, and minus 3 into 7, that is minus plus 21 greater than equals to 15 minus 7x. We have taken x in left hand side and constant to the right hand side, so it will be 4x greater than equals to minus 6, and divide both side by 4 because coefficient of x is 4, that you have to eliminate. So 4x upon 4 greater than equals to minus 6 upon 4, so it will be x and greater than equals to minus 3 upon 2. And here what you have to do, you have to cross multiply. So by 3 if you multiply 45 minus 21x greater than x plus 1, and minus 21x, and this x we have taken in left hand side, so it is minus 21x minus x greater than 1, and this 45 we have taken in right hand side, so this will be minus 22x minus 44. Divide both sides by minus 22 because coefficient of x is minus 22. Dividing by negative number, so inequation will be changed. Greater than will become less than. Okay, so x is less than 2, and here we have got x is greater than equals to 1 whole 1 upon 2. So if you combine them, so what will be that? Minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 is less than x, and x is less than 2. So after combining, we have got this solution. The solution set you can write in this way. Now you have to represent on the number line. Okay, so in next, the representation on the number line. Okay, see the representation. Minus 1 upon 2, there was x is, here the solution, you can see that here the solution is x is greater than equals to minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 and less than 2. Here equal sign with minus 1 whole 1 upon 2, and but only less than is with 2. So 2 will not be the solution, but here it is equal, so minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 will be included in the solution. Okay, so see the number line. So here 2 is not included, so we have made an empty circle, and minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 that is included, and between them you have to make the line dark. Okay, so this is the solution. Now next question, that is question number 23. Solve the following inequation, write down the solution set and represent it on the real number line. And inequation is given that minus 2 plus 10x less than equals to 13 plus 10 less than 24 plus 10x, and x belongs to z, that is integer. Okay, again in here also, in each term x is included. See this question number 23. Okay, with each term x is there, so you have to divide into two parts. First two will be taken together and last two will be taken together, and separately you have to find the solution. Then after that finally you will combine, and x belongs to integer. So see this, minus 4 greater than equals to x is greater than equals to minus 4 and less than equals to 4 whole 2 upon 3. So equal sign is there, so minus 4 will be included. Then greater than minus 4 is minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and less than 4 whole 2 upon 3 is 4. So up to 4, this will be the solution. And on the number line you have to make dot only on the point. That is very easy. Okay, in next question, that is question number 24. So read the question number 24. Solve the inequation 2x minus 5 less than equals to 5x plus 4 less than 11, where x belongs to integer. Also represent the solution set on the number line, just like the previous question. Okay, so do it yourself. Question number 24. Now question number 25. Read the question number 25. If x belongs to integer, A is the solution set of 2 into x minus 1 less than 3x minus 1, and B is the solution set of 4x minus 3 is less than equals to 8 plus x, and find A minus B. At first you have to find A and B. A and B are the solution set of given two equations. So first inequation is given this one. Okay, and x belongs to integer. So solve this. We have multiplied by 2, then we have taken x in left hand side, constant in right hand side. Then the solution set A is equals to x is greater than minus 1 and x belongs to integer, so greater than minus 1 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. Okay, and next in equation is given, so in equation you have to take x to the left hand side, constant to the right hand side, divide both sides by 3, so x will be less than equals to 3 whole 2 upon 3, and x belongs to integer, so less than 3 whole 2 upon 3 is 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1 and so on. Okay, and now you have to find the intersection of A and B. A is this set and B is this set. Which numbers are common? See this, 0 is here, 0 is here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the intersection of A and B. Okay, now come to the next question, that is question number 26. Okay, in question number 26 it is given that if P is the solution set of minus 3x plus 4 less than 2x minus 3, x belongs to natural number, and Q is the solution set of 4x minus 5 less than 12 and x belongs to whole number, find P intersection Q and second Q in minus P. Just like previous one, only the second part is little bit different. So this is the inequation and x belongs to natural number. So after simplifying we have got this one, and x is greater than 1 whole 1 upon 2 means x is starting from 2 3 4 5 because x belongs to natural number. We have to take the solution set from the natural number of set. Okay, now in this inequation x belongs to whole number. So after simplifying we have got x is less than 4 whole 1 upon 4. Okay, so the solution set will be 4 3 2 1 0 because 0 is the least whole number. Now P intersection Q, intersection of these two sets. So which elements are common? 2 3 4 and Q minus P. Q minus P means in set Q which elements are common in P, that will be eliminated. See this here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. So 2 3 4 are common in these two sets. So this 2 3 4 will be subtracted. It means this 2 3 4 will not be eliminated. So only 0 and 1 is left. So Q minus P will be 0 minus 1. Q minus P means subtraction of two set means common element will be eliminated. That is 2 3 4. 2 3 4 are common. So these 2 3 4 are eliminated. Then the set is 0 comma 1. Now come to the next question, that is question number 27. So in this question it is given that A is the set that is given and B is a set that is given. Find the range of set A intersection B and represent it on the number line. So A is given that x such that 11x minus 5 greater than 7x plus 3, x belongs to real number, and B is a set such that x is such that 18x minus 9 greater than equals to 15 plus 12x, and x belongs to real number. Okay, so first of all this is the set and this is the inequation. So solve the inequation. So take x related term in one side and constant to the another side. So this is the set. X is such that x greater than 2 and x belongs to real number. Okay, and set B, after simplifying we have got that x such that x greater than equals to 4 and x belongs to real number. Now you have to find the intersection A intersection B. See this, x is greater than 2 and x is greater than equals to 4. Okay, x is greater than 2 and x is greater than equals to 4. So the intersection will be x is greater than equals to 4. Okay, so this is the intersection of these two, because greater than equals to 2 means this will include greater than equals to 4 also, greater than equals to 2, greater than equals to 3, greater than equals to 4. So in this set, this whole set is included. So intersection means the common part. So in this set x greater than 2, this part is common, so this will be the intersection of these two sets. Okay, and on the graph x is greater than equals to 4, so the 4 point will be included. After that up to infinity, then you have to make the line dark. Okay, next question. Question number 21, sorry, question number 28. In question number 28 it is given that given P equals to x such that 5 is less than 2x minus 1 less than equals to 11 and x belongs to real number, and Q equals to x is such that minus 1 less than equals to 3 plus 4x and less than 23, and x belongs to integer, where r are real number, r equals to real number, I equals to integer. Represent P and Q on the number lines. Write down the elements of P intersection Q. This is the set, so you have to simplify. This belongs to real number. So x is such that x less than 3 is less than x and less than equals to 6. This is the solution of the first given equation. This is P is equals to this set. Okay, now on the graph how will represent? Minus 3 you have to make an empty circle, so minus 3 empty circle, and 6 there you have to make dot, and between them they have to make the line dark. Q, after simplifying we have got minus, the simplification is very easy, minus 1 less than equals to x less than 5 and x belongs to integer, and this belongs to integer means integers between minus 1 and 5, the x is greater than equals to minus 1, so minus 1 will be included, then 0 1 2 3 less than 5 is 4. So this is the solution set. So if the solution set you have to represent on the number line. So -1 0 1 2 3 4, you have to make dot. Now next thing, you have to find the elements of the set P intersection Q. P intersection Q, these two sets. Okay, here see this 3, between 3 and 6. 3 and 6, which numbers are there? 4 and 5. Okay, so here only 4 is there. Okay, so common part is only 4, because 3 to 6, here only the number you can get, that is 4, and 3 is not included because x is greater than 3, not the number. After 3 it is started. After 3, that will be 4 or 5, and here only 4 is there, so intersection is 4. Now next question, that is question number 29. So in question number 29, okay, it is given that if x belongs to integer, find the smallest value of x which satisfies the inequation. It means you have to find the solution set. After finding the solution set, you have to see that which element is the smallest in the solution set. So this is the given inequation, x belongs to integer, then x related term we have taken on side, so this will be the, after simplification you will get this one, and this is x upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now what we will do, we have cross multiplied, so 2 into x, that is 2x, and 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 1. Now divide both side by 2, because you have to eliminate the coefficient of x, that is 2. So x is greater than minus 1 whole 1 upon 2, and x belongs to integer, so it will be minus 1 greater than minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 is minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 up to so on. So hence the smallest value here, the smallest value is minus 1. Okay, next, that is question number 30. Okay, in question number 30, see the question, given 20 minus 5x less than 5 into x plus h, find the smallest value of x when x belongs to integer, x belongs to whole number, x belongs to natural. At first you have to find the solution, x is greater than minus 1. Now for integer the solution set will be different, for whole number it will be different, and for natural number that will be different. And for this, from them you can find the least number or the smallest number very easily. Okay, so do it by yourself. Next question, that is question number 31. Okay, in question number 31, in question number 31, read the question. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. 4x minus 19 less than 3x upon 5 minus 2 less than equals to minus 2 upon 5 plus x, and x belongs to real number. Okay, so this is the given inequation, and each term there is x, so you have to split into two parts. So first two we have taken together and last two we have taken together. Simplify this one. This is very easy. Take x related term in left hand side, then constant to the right hand side, then simplify, divide by 17, you will get that. So x is less than 5. Okay, and from here after simplification we have got x is greater than equals to 4. So combining these two we have got that minus 4 is less than equals to x and less than 5. So hence the solution set is this one. You have to write in this form. Then on the graph we have to represent the solution. So the graph will be like this. Okay, minus 4 and 5 is not included in the solution. You can see the solution, there is 5, x is less than 5, so 5 is not included. So 5 is the point 5. At point 5 we have to make an empty circle, and this minus 4 is included. Between them the line you have to make dark. Okay, next question, that is question number 32. Okay, in question number 32, solve the given inequation and graph the solution set on the number line. And this inequation is given that 2y minus 3 is less than y plus 1 is less than equals to 4y plus 7, and y belongs to real number. This is your homework, because this is the same question just like the previous one. Here in place of x there is y only, so don't be confused. You have to find the solution for y. Okay, here by mistake I have written x, you will make this one y. Okay, because this is the solution you have to find in terms of y. So this will be y. Okay. Now next one, that is question number 33. So read the question number 33. In question number 33 it is given that solve the inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. Minus 3 plus x less than equals to 8x upon 3 plus 2 less than equals to 14 upon 3 plus 2x, and where x belongs to integer. Okay, again in each term x is there, so you have to split into two parts, and for this you have to find the solution, that is x is greater than minus 3 we have got, and from this one we have got x is less than 4. Combining these two we have got minus 3 is less than equals to x and less than equals to 4. This x belongs to integer, so minus 3 then minus 2 then 1 minus 1 then 0 1 2 3 and less than equals to 4 means 4 will be there, so this will be the solution set. Okay. Now on the number line, that is very easy to represent, from minus 3 then minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4, these points will be dotted. Now next question, question number 34. Okay, so read the question number 34 very carefully. In this question it is given that find the greatest integer which is such that if 7 is added to its double, the resulting number becomes greater than 3 times the integer. Read the question very carefully. Okay, find the greatest integer. So you have to find the greatest integer, so you have to assume that let the greatest integer be x, and it is told that it is such that say if 7 is added to its double, 7 is added to its double, then the resulting number becomes greater than 3 times the integer. So double is 2x and 3 times the integer is 3x. So if 7 is added to the double of the integer, that is 2x, so 7 is added to a 2x, it will be greater than the 3 times the integer, it means 3x. So this is the inequation. So after solving this inequation we have got x is less than 7. So the solution set is 6 5 4 3 2 0 1, hence the greatest integer you are getting, that is 6, and these are least integers. So these solution are less than 6, so we have to take the greatest one only, so 6 is the greatest integer. Okay. Now last question of this chapter, that is question number 35. 1/3 of a bamboo pole is buried in mud, 1/6 of it is in water, and the part above the water is greater than or equals to 3 meter. Find the length of the shortest pole. Okay, let the length of the bamboo pole be x meter. Okay, total bamboo pole is x meter. Length of the pole buried in mud, it is given that 1/3. 1/3 is buried in mud. Read the question very carefully. 1/3 of the pole is buried in mud. 1/3 means x upon 3, and it is 1/6 of it in the water. 1/6 means x upon 6 is inside the water. Okay, the length of the pole above the water is given, and the length of the pole above the water, that will be x minus x upon 3 minus x upon 3, because x is the total length. From total length, if you subtract the length of the bamboo that is inside the mud and subtract the length of the bamboo that is inside the water, then you will get the length of the bamboo that is outside the water. Okay, so after subtracting we have got x upon 2 meters. So this part x upon 2 meters is on the water. After that, according to the question, it is given that the part above the water is greater than or equals to 3. So part above the water is x upon 2, and that will be greater than equals to 3. That is given in your question. So multiply by 2 both sides, so it will be x greater than equals to 6. The length of the shortest pole will be 6 meter, because the solution set will be less than equals to 6, means 5 4 3 2 1 and so on. So greatest one x is greater than equals to 6 means it will be 7 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and so on. So least number or the shortest pole will be 6 meter, and other height that you will get, that will be greater than 6, so it will be the shortest pole will be of 6 meter. So this is all about your chapter number 4. Okay, so you can revise all the portions all the examples, all the theory portion or the exercise, revise it again and again and solve it rapidly and do it every day. Practice all the question, all the pattern of the questions every day. See the examples also, it will be clear to you more. Okay, so tomorrow or in next class we'll start the new chapter, that is quadratic equation in one variable. Okay, so thank you.